Stop by and take a look at the 2007 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: passenger airbag, power steering, automatic transmission, cruise control, trip computer, remote power door locks, power windows, fog lamps, compass, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.